So it's almost 2022 and maybe you've been searching the internet on how you can make money online, and this could be a completely new territory for you. Maybe you've Google searched it, you've gone on YouTube, countless videos, and you've only come across people that are talking about Amazon FBA or drop shipping. I'm here to tell you that I've never been successful with those, but what I have been successful is exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video, which are 3 ways to make passive income online. I remember when I was 14 years old. Yes, this is a picture of me at my job at Kroger. You might think that I look like I'm 10 years old, but no, I was 14 years old. I was bagging groceries, and I remember that day I was like, hey, I want to start working. That's just the kind of person that I am. And then over time, I went to another grocery store. So here's me at 16 years old. And I just remember every single day after school, I would literally cashier, bag groceries from like 4 to 11 p.m., making roughly, $7, $8 an hour. And then I would have to go home, study, and do my schoolwork. And so the hustle for me has always been there. And today, I currently work in corporate America, and I really do enjoy what I'm doing. But I will say that having passive income online working for you is a great stepping stone for where you want to go in your life, because anybody can do it. I know the exact feeling of being on the other end where you're going down this rabbit hole of trying to make money online, and you get targeted by all these ads of people and they're like, you can make this much money online tomorrow, and then you fall for it. And I've been there. And so number 1 is picking a niche. So if you're not familiar with what a niche is, basically a niche is going to be a very specific subject that you're going to build a brand around. So if you think about your life right now, what I want you to do as you watch this video is pick 3 of the top things that mean a lot to you. It could be sports, it could be music, it could be health and wellness. And throughout those niches are going to be very passionate customers. So if you think about anything in life, business in general, people are purchasing a service, they are becoming a customer, they're literally taking out their credit card for something because that product is speaking to them and solving their problem. There are so many niches in this world, and the number 1 thing that you can do when you start to create passive income online is focusing on that niche. Who are you going to be serving to? We call that the ICP, which is your ideal customer profile. Then you're going to move forward and create content around that niche, right? So let's say that you're in the health and wellness world and you're really passionate about, maybe it's going to be a protein powder or something that has created results for you, right? You're going to be creating content. People are going to follow you on that journey, and they're going to know you for that health and wellness individual. So once you have discovered your niche, you're going to want to do whatever is most comfortable for you. It could be creating content. You don't even have to be showing your face. It could be, you having a blog, or it could be on your Instagram just through your groups of friends. Everything that I'm describing today, you don't have to have a massive audience, but if you're super narrowed in on that niche, that's going to create a very close, tight audience that you can sell to, right? So number 2 is affiliate marketing. If you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, the best way for me to explain this to you is simply this. In order for companies to grow and scale, what they do is they offer affiliate programs. And so let's say that you are really passionate about this one product or service, and you are sharing with your following or people that are consuming your content, and they click on that link specifically, and let's say they sign up for that monthly subscription, or they buy that specific product, but they used your link, you are going to earn a commission. So how does this all make sense? Well, if you're consistently creating content in one specific niche, let's say health and wellness, you're going to always create content in that niche, and then over time, people are going to come to you. They're gonna see your videos or your Instagram or your TikTok posts, and whenever you have that new product that has provided you a lot of value and you express that and you share it to your audience, in return, they're going to go click that link, they're going to purchase that item, and when they do, that is going to create passive income, right? Because you're going to get a percentage of that sale depending on the affiliate marketing program. And as you can see here, I've been able to generate a nice affiliate marketing passive income from leveraging that in some of my content. And I will say that over time, you're really going to have to consistently create that content or share with your friends. And it's really very much a rippling effect, right? This is not going to happen overnight where you're gonna make thousands of dollars, but if you're very, very passionate about your niche, that's why that was number one, you're gonna have so much fun. You're gonna have so much success with it. So then what I want you guys to do is once you have your niche, I want you to go type that in on Google or even on YouTube and then search companies that offer affiliate programs. And I will say that you will be surprised at how many companies that you follow offer these programs. And you might be asking, is this free? Is being an affiliate free? And it's 100% free. Personally, with the affiliate marketing campaigns that I have run, I've never spent a single dollar to join an affiliate campaign to run with my own links. It's always been sign up for the service, connect with them, and then as you use their link, you're going to see the conversion rates increase. So affiliate marketing is a great way for you to make that passive income. And for number three, another way for you to make passive income online is going to be selling digital products, right? So this is why this is number three, because let's say that you've picked your niche that you're super passionate about, that you're creating content. And then from there, in the descriptions of your content or your blog, you have those affiliate links. So you're creating that credibility. And then for number three, you can then add on top of that and create lots of digital products, right? A great example of this that I will share is going to be the Keto Couple. And their website and the content that they're creating is filled with affiliate promotions, but not only that, they've got their own digital products. And what exactly is a digital product? Well, just to break it down, it could be an ebook, it could be some sort of online course that you offer as a service. It could also be consulting, right? Because at the end of the day, when you have this niche that you're really, really passionate about, you are going to be the person that they are going to, your viewers, when they think about that specific niche. Once you do the work up front, then you create the product, you package it, it's going to live forever, right? So if you're consistently creating content around that niche, you are then going to see people purchasing your products or services over time, and it's going to be a compounding effect. Something really important that I want to add on to the 3 steps that I just provided you with are to make sure that when you are going about this and you're taking the steps to create passive income online, is you never want to just push your affiliate marketing campaigns to your audience. You don't want to drown people in the offers or click your link, do this or that. You want to be very genuine, right? You want to be telling your story. You want to share with your audience the impact that that product or service is having on you. You want to be a storyteller, right? People they build trust with you, and that's what's going to create that passive income, right? Think about your favorite product or service. Why is it your favorite product or service? It's because it's solving a problem. And let's say your favorite influencer recommended that product or service to you. You are like, hey, maybe I should purchase this because I trust that individual, right? So you have to really think through what it is you're trying to accomplish. But for me personally, this has been a great way to make passive income online because YouTube is this incredible tool where your videos can live forever. So to wrap up this video, the 3 are pick your niche, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products online. This will be a great way for you to really get into making passive income online without any startup costs, right? You're not gonna be running any Facebook ads. You're not going to be buying products that you don't even know are going to sell. So you're simply just going to be yourself, be very passionate about what it is you're doing, and then over time, having those affiliate offers will create income for you online. I hope this video was super helpful for you. I've really loved and enjoyed affiliate marketing while working my full-time job. So if you've enjoyed and watched this video this far, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, KZWavy, and also drop a comment below if you have any further questions, or maybe you are considering a new business venture, or if you just enjoyed this video, please let me know. I know it's a little bit different, but I wanna continue to share with you guys the things that I have a lot of interest and passion for on this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Keep it wavy. See ya.